Hello everyone, Lekhana here and welcome back to day 30 of Inktober. Today I'm illustrating a South Indian dish specifically from Karnataka called Semige or Adde. There are a few ways to call it. I have grown up calling it Semige. Basically it's rice noodles which is usually accompanied with a sweet, savoury or a spicy dish. Let me know in the comments if you've had Semige before and if yes, then what do you like to have it with? So for reference I used recipe by CountNCook Maverick. If you love South Indian food, especially mangalorean dishes, then check out this channel. If this is the first of my Inktober video you have come across, then I do have 29 other videos for you, and I've added the playlist at the end of this video and also in the description box below. So I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to comment, like and subscribe, it would mean a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.
This time I am pretty sure moments passing away I've never seen before. You held me out of the dark. I always wonder if you were left without a mark. Did you ever let go? Did you ever not know? You were never out there alone. Do you think there's a chance for this love to be real? I will let you take the wheel. From now on. From now on. Lying on a distant star. In these violent days I wanna be where you are. Stay with me, it's getting late. Fill me with a desire that I cannot break. Did you ever let go? Did you ever not know? You were never out there alone. Do you think there's a chance for this love to be real? I will let you take the wheel. From now on. From now on. From now on. From now on. Distant fire burning low. You were telling me everything I didn't know. Outside there's a midnight rain. With the hardest of heart, I still feel full of pain. Did you ever let go? Did you ever not know? You were never out there alone. Do you think there's a chance for this love to be real? I will let you take the wheel. From now on. From now on. From